Welcome back to Bad Attitude C-10. Today is just going to be a pretty quick video. I'm going to tie up some loose ends with the line lock installs. There were a few places I wanted to add some 8L clamp, and other than that, I found this boot that I want to try on the roll cage bar coming through the firewall and see what that turns out like. So I'm not going to do a lot of talking or anything like that. I'm going to go ahead and just set it up, time lapse it, and let y'all see what's going on. Alright guys, as I finish putting the final touches on the line lock to end that long jury video, here's a few photos of the finished product. I would like to apologize for not being able to upload here in the past 3 or 4 days. I've been without internet and the guys finally came and fixed it. Other than that, we're trying to make progress on this thing and get it knocked out. The green stuff you see on the bolts right there, I don't know if I ever told you, it's called the torque seal. That way if we're ever running through the chassis and checking stuff, as long as the green seal's still there, we know the torque is where it's supposed to be. Also, the boot that we put on the roll cage bar, it's called a zipper, and they're like 12 bucks, so it's a lot cheaper than the $40–45 ones that you see on Summit and Jigs. So anyway, please like and subscribe. We'll see you next time whenever we start doing some engine stuff.